Unit 3, Harvard In-Text Citing and Referencing. This material is from National Open University of Nigeria. Introduction. Unintentional plagiarism can occur if you fail to reference correctly. There are different types of referencing. The different types of referencing styles are American Meteorological Society, AMS, style, APA referencing, Chicago styles, Harvard referencing, MHRA referencing, OSCLA referencing, Oxford Standard for the Citation of Legal Authorities, Oxford referencing, and Vancouver, numeric, referencing. However, the two most common styles are Harvard and APA styles. My name is Dan Asukwo. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of this unit, you will be able to 2. Demonstrate with examples, Harvard referencing style for journal articles. 3. Demonstrate with examples, Harvard referencing style for conference proceedings. 4. Demonstrate with examples, Harvard referencing style for dissertations. 5. Demonstrate with examples, Harvard referencing style for DVD, video, and film. 6. Demonstrate with examples, Harvard referencing style for government publication. 7. Demonstrate with examples, Harvard referencing for interviews. 8. Demonstrate with examples, Harvard in-text citations. Harvard referencing style. Harvard referencing style is commonly used by students and researchers to cite information sources. There are two parts to Harvard style. 1. In-text citations. This is used in the body of the work when quoting or paraphrasing a source. 2. Reference lists. This is a comprehensive list of all citations with their full bibliographic information located at the end of every academic or research work. This is to enable readers for the reference list. The information needed are 1. Name of the authors. 2. Year published. 3. Title. 4. City published. 5. Publisher. 6. Pages used. The general format for referencing, using Harvard style, is as follows. City, publisher, pages as reference list are arranged alphabetically by author's last name. Where multiple sources are used by same author, citations are listed in order by the date of publication. Harvard referencing for books. Harvard referencing for books with one author. The Harvard format for referencing books with one author is a last name, first initial, year published. Title. Edition. First edition should not be included. City, publisher, pages as. Examples, Adi Gunn, O. 2003. Cases and texts on equity, trusts and administration of estates. Lagos, Mabrochi International Books. Dixon, M. 2014. Modern Land Law. 9th ed. New York, Routledge. A Harvard referencing for books with two or more author. When referencing sources with two or more authors, place the names in the exact order in which they appear on the text, using and to separate the names. A Fredrickson, N. and Klein, T. 2009. Special Educational Needs, Inclusion and Diversity. 2nd ed. New York, McGraw-Hill, page 156. A Vermaat, M. Seebock, S. Freund, S. Campbell, J. and Frydenberg, M. 2014. Discovering Computers. Boston, Cengage Learning, pp. 446 to 448. A Harvard referencing for chapters in edited books. The format for referencing chapters in edited books is a last name, first initial, year published. Chapter title. In, first initial, last name, ed, book title, ed city, publisher, pages. Take note of the punctuations used in the format. Last name, first initial, year published. Example, Atkinson, D. 2010. Narratives and People with Learning Disabilities. In, G. Grant, P. Ramcharan, M. Flynn and M. Richardson, ed. Learning Disability, A Life Cycle Approach, 2nd ed. Berkshire, McGraw-Hill, pp. 78-92. Harvard referencing for ebooks. For ebooks, edition statement should always be included, even if it's the first edition. When referencing for ebooks, use the following format. A last name, first initial, year published. Title, edition, format, city, publisher, pages. Available at URL, access day mo year. Example, Zusak, M. 2015. The Book Thief. First ed. ebook, New York, Knopf. Available at http://ebooks.nypl.org. Access the 20th of April, 2015. Harvard referencing for journal articles. Harvard referencing for articles in print journals. The general Harvard format for referencing articles in print journals is last name, first initial, year published, article title, journal, volume, issue, pages. Examples: Bimba, B. 2000. Measuring the Gender Gap on the Internet. Social Science Quarterly, 81, 3, pp 868, Cite 76. Akpan, J. and Andre, T. 2000. Using a computer simulation before dissection to help students learn anatomy. Journal of Computers in Mathematics and Science Teaching, 19, 3, pp 279, 313. A Harvard referencing for articles in database or website. All the features for referencing articles in print must be included where available for articles found in database or website. Also included the medium, online, the website URL, and the date article was accessed. The general format for referencing articles found in database or website is last name, first initial, year published, article title, journal, online, volume, issue, pages. Available at URL, access demo year, example, Akinsola, M. and Anamasahan, I. 2007. The effect of simulation games environment on student achievement in attitude to mathematics in secondary school. The Turkish Online Education Technology, online, 6, 3, page 146. Available at http://www.tojet.net. Articles 63. Access the 14th of September, 2007. Where author's name is not available, use the following format: website name, year published. Page title, online, available at URL, access demo year. Example, mms.com, 2015. M&MS official website, online, available at http://www.mms.com. Access the 20th of April, 2015. Harvard referencing for conference proceedings. Conference proceedings are academic papers presented at conferences that are yet to be published. Use the following format when referencing conference proceedings. If published online, last name, first initial, conference year, title of paper or proceedings. In, name or title of conference. Online, city, publisher of the proceedings, pages. Available at URL, access demo, year. If not published online, last name, first initial, last name, first initial, conference year, title of paper or proceedings. In, name or title of conference. City, publisher of the proceedings, pages. Examples, Palmer, L., Gover, E., and Doublet, K. 2013. Advocating for your tech program. In, National Conference for Technology Teachers. Online, New York, NCTT, pp 33-34. Available at http://www.nctt.com/2013 for our tech program. Access the 11th of January, 2014. Egan Joby, A. 2002. The efficacy of two computer-assisted instructional modes on learners' practical geography achievement at the secondary school level in Ibthan Metropolis. In, NAUN Conference. Ibthan, NATAM, pp 20-23. Harvard referencing for dissertations. A dissertation is a lengthy paper or project written as a requirement for obtaining a doctoral degree. The format for referencing dissertations is year published. Dissertation title, academic level of the author, name of university, college, or institution. Example, Morikino, A. 2003. Relative efficacy of systematic desensitization, self-statement monitoring and flooding on subjects' test anxiety. PhD, University of Ibthan. Harvard referencing for DVD, video, and film. The following format should be followed when referencing DVD, video, and film. Video title, year published. Format, place of origin, video maker. Example, Girls Just Want to Have Fun. 1985. Video, Chicago, Alan Meder. Harvard referencing for government publications. Government publications are documents produced by local, state, or federal government or institutions. When referencing for government publications, use the following format: a government agency OL last name, first initial, year published. Title of document or article. City published. Publisher. Pages. Example: Commonwealth of Learning, 2004. Planning and implementing open and distance learning systems. Abuja, Rutledge, page 5. Harvard referencing for interviews. For the referencing of interviews, use the following format: a last name of interviewer, first initial, and last name of interviewee, first initial. Year of interview. Title or description of interview. Example: Okpala, A, and Olalu, B, 2018. Noun students' perception of ODL. Harvard In-Text Citations. In-text citation for paraphrase sentences or quotations is usually located at the end of each paraphrase sentence or quotation and displays the author's last names and year of publication. However, when the authors are more than 3, the first listed author's last name is used followed by et al. And year of publication. Examples: Gatsby's infatuation with Daisy is often revealed in the story, often in simple phrases such as, "He turned toward her with a rush of emotion," Fitzgerald, 2004. A range of values can express emotion, too. Stark, high contrast drawings may carry a strong emotional charge, Litzari and Schleiser, 2011. Rather than constantly seeking approval from others, try to seek approval from the person who matters the most, yourself, Bard, Shelley, and Schmidt, 2011. Potter et al., 2013, go on to explain that among the most Catholic Filipinos, parents keep the newborn inside the home until after the baptism to ensure the baby's health and protection. Dr. Scharschmidt completed her residency in 2012, joined the Leader Society in 2013, and became a new volunteer this year to encourage other young dermatologists in her area to join her in Leadership Giving, Dermatology Foundation, 2014. Self-assessment exercises. 1. The general format for referencing, using Harvard style is 2. Demonstrate using suitable example, Harvard style for referencing articles in print journal. Let have your feedback on the comment section. Conclusion. There are different referencing styles. However, the Harvard style is one. A good use of referencing styles will help you to avoid infringement, which usually has severe consequences. To recap what you have learned in this unit, let have your thought on the comment section. Be sure to subscribe, like and share with friends and course mates.